Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to print this reverse triangle pattern using C programming language. So in first tutorial we have seen how to print a simple triangle. So this is just a reverse triangle. So as we know from our first tutorial, one outer loop we need for number of lines. So here we are having 5 lines. So that's why we need a outer loop. This outer loop has to be executed for 5 times. So we have created a outer for loop which will run 5 times. Now in every line, if this is the first line, there is a 1 star. If this is second line, there is 2 star. If this is third line, there is 3 star. So we need a inner loop which will execute according to what is the current line number, and the line number information we can fetch from variable I. So what we will do, we will take another loop and we will write this condition. So this condition in first line I value is 0. So this loop will run one time because the j will start from 0 and it will run until it is less than or equal to I. So it will run for one time. In second line I value will be 1. So this loop will run 2 times. So a number of star condition will be satisfied here. Now the question is that how we going to provide these spaces. So as you can see, in first line we are having 4 space, in second line we are having 3 space, here 2 space, 1 space, 0 space. So we need one more loop, and this loop we need to provide the spaces. So we will take one more variable, we will declare this variable here. So now, and here what this loop will do, this loop simply provide space. So now the question is that how are we going to specify this condition. So this condition, like in first line, this loop has to be executed 4 times because there are 4 space. So for first line, when I is 0, this loop has to be executed 4 times. In second line, when I is equal to 1, this loop has to be executed for 3 times so that it can print 3 spaces. So what condition we will do? We will specify condition less than 5 minus I. So if we see this condition, and let's say we start from 1. So here when in first line when I is equal to 0, k start from 1 and k should be less than 5 minus I. So 5 minus 0 which is 5. So this loop will run for 1, k equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So this loop will run for 4 times and it will print 4 spaces. After that this loop will run 1 star because I value is equal to 0. In second line I value become 1. So in that case k start from 1 and k value must be less than less than 5 minus 1 which is 4. So it will run for 1, 2, 3 3 times. So if we, and whenever we write outer loop, in the end of outer loop we need to provide a new line. So we will save it. We have saved on desktop, and now we will compile our program. Now we will run it. This is the way to run C program in Unix. So here our reverse triangle is printed. Thank you very much. for watching.